Have you ever been in a situation where you've done a whole lot of shopping and found that much of it doesn't fit into your luggage? Or, have you ever, at least once in your life, stared woefully at a souvenir, knowing that you can't possibly take it back because of crammed luggage space? Well, if you plan your travel smartly by investing in the best foldable travel bags. There are many products available to choose foldable travel bags, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best foldable travel bags from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Verge Foldable Luggage Best Suitcase. This best collapsible suitcase takes your packing game to a new level. Verge Foldable Luggage is not just a bag but a smart suitcase. What makes it one of the best foldable bags for travel is its 2-in-1 feature as both a carry-on and a check bag. Talk about versatility. In its normal state, this bag is only 24 inches. But once expanded, it becomes a huge 28-inch luggage bag. The fun doesn't stop there. Each of these bags comes with spinner wheels that can turn 360 degrees while rolling, making maneuvering through the airport gate so much easier. Material-wise, this collapsible luggage bag is made of heavy-duty fabric that is claimed to be both water and tear resistant. Dimensions. Folded 17x 13x 5 inches, unfolded 28 inches. It has a whopping capacity of up to 28 inches. As a durable product, it's both water and tear resistant. For better maneuverability, it comes with 360-degree spinner wheels. This bag works as a carry-on 24-inch and 28-inch checked bag. Cons: need to pack heavy stuff on the bottom of the bag to keep it balanced. Number 2. Naturhic 18L Packable Backpack. For the die-hard backpack fan, this one's for you. The Naturhic 18L Packable Backpack is so convenient that it can be folded small and stuffed into a small space to emerge when you need it. It has some surprisingly good features that made an impression on us too. It's made from high-quality 30D nylon material and stitched with fine nylon lines, making it more durable. Added to this is the fact that it is tear-resistant. The zippers are also sealed with silicone for additional durability. As the name suggests, the large main pocket is roomy enough with an 18L capacity. Additionally, there's also an outer and inner zippered pocket and 2 side mesh pockets. Padded adjustable shoulder straps make the bag comfortable to carry around. Touted as a sea-to-sky bag for men and women, we couldn't agree more with the functionality of this backpack. Dimensions. Folded 4.7x 2.7 inches, unfolded 17x 10 inches. Though lightweight, this backpack is so durable. It folds so small that finding a place for it won't be difficult. The high-quality ripstop nylon material is long-lasting. The zippers are silicone-coated. There are 2 extra pockets for small items. You can use the large mesh pockets to hold your water bottle. Cons: though not a deal breaker, you should note that there's no waist strap. Number 3. Bigo 80L Duffel Bag. Something cheap with more than 10,000 reviews. There definitely is something special about this multi-purpose Bigo 80L Duffel Bag. You can conveniently fold this large bag and store it away in a drawer when not in use, or take it to the gym when you're done traveling. Since the bag is so lightweight, you can even take it on the flight with you. Or, feel free to carry it empty as an emergency backup, making it one of the best foldable travel bags. The honeycomb ripstop fabric of the bag is pretty good as it resists wear and tear. Additionally, it's also water resistant. A bag of this size has ample storage space with a few extra pockets for better organization. We especially like the expanding side pocket, which would be ideal for separating dirty clothes. One of the best things about it is that it has a separate odor-free space for packing shoes. Meanwhile, the removable shoulder strap gives you more carrying options. Pros: despite being lightweight, it's very spacious. The bag comes with an expanding side pocket for better management. It's lightweight and folds into a flat square when not used. It has a durable, water-resistant material. The secure stitching guarantees the bag's durability. It's available in 12 different colors. Cons: there might be an uneven weight distribution if not packed full. Number 4. Arxis Foldable Duffel Tote. Most foldable bags have a main pocket and a small zippered pocket for smaller items, which is no different. However, the Arxis Foldable Duffel Tote also has 2 mesh side pockets for water bottles. Made from lightweight, waterproof, and tear-resistant Oxford fabric, this bag is extremely durable. It's a handy bag for any extra luggage that you may pick up on your travels. As one of the best travel bags that fold up, it sure doesn't disappoint. When you unfold it, the bag has a storage capacity of 25 liters. If you're planning to take this as backup carry-on luggage, you can pack it to fit under the seat in front of you. The detachable extensible shoulder strap and grab handles are convenient for transporting the bag. Moreover, we also like that it can be slipped onto the handle of bigger luggage with its attached bag sleeve. Dimensions. Folded 7x 1.5 inches, unfolded 18x 12x 6 inches. Pros: love how lightweight and durable this bag is. There are extra pockets on the inside and outside. The extensible shoulder straps are detachable. There are dedicated mesh pockets for water bottles. Consists the most impressive travel bag, but good for fitting extra stuff like souvenirs. Number 5. Samsonite Tote a Ton 32.5-inch Duffel, best brand. Samsonite has been in the luggage making business for a while now, and the Samsonite Tote a Ton 32.5-inch Duffel is one of its best products. This foldable duffel bag proves why the brand is so well liked. With over 6,000 reviews on Amazon, the Samsonite Tote a Ton does seem to be a popular buy. With its affordable price tag and durable material, this bag impressed us so much that it even made it to our list of best budget luggage. As well, this no frills bag can be taken as a foldable backup bag, or can even be used as travel luggage. Crafted from lightweight durable denier nylon, the bag expands to 32 inches when packed to capacity. According to the official website, it only weighs 1 pound. This means you have plenty of packing space. However, like some travel bags that fold up, it's not big on organizational pockets. An interior zippered pocket and an exterior pocket are your only additional options. Although there are no straps or wheels, a sturdy handle will help you to transport the bag easily. Dimensions. Unfolded 33x17x 11.5 inches process is a versatile and multi-purpose bag that you can take wherever you go. Crafted from durable denier nylon, it can last for years. We love this large compartment with an interior zippered pocket. It's available in 12 different colorways. Cons: no wheels or straps could make this a little difficult to carry if packed to full capacity. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.